Alright guys, I want to show y'all this new baseball template that we just released. This template is spa ready, and I added a few things in here that can easily be modified. So like we got the lightning back there, you can take the lightning out. The unique thing that I like about this, let me mute my player right here. So the logo layers and everything are interchangeable. You can go in and put your own logos in if you want to. You just need to put them in this folder right here that says logo in this folder. And we do have it spa ready too, so if you want to load it up on automation, you'll be able to put your own personal logos in there and run them in the automation. The text, you can run it in your spa, but all these layers can be edited on the wall back there. Then if you just don't really care much for the wall, you can take that wall out. You can take the lights out, the stadium lights out. And then I did put two options for the sky in there. You want the pretty blue sky, and you got the dramatic sky. Let's just say you want to change the color of the sky to a specific team color. You just come right in and just double click that, change it to whatever color you want to match the teams. Yep. Wall texture, I think I changed the wall texture on too. You got two options for wall texture. So you got these boards, then you can go with the old traditional wood boards. And another thing that I want to show you too. So the unique thing about this, even in the spa, what I did in the spa layer right here, I just went on and kind of created a mask that would automatically kind of look like the feet were kind of already buried in the grass. The key to getting this to look like this, you got to shoot these images from the ground up. That way the feet are just kind of level with the ground, and you drop it in this spa right here. As you can see, like you can see the ground cut out right here. Let me see. You kind of see it. I already have that masked out in that spa mode too, so all of their feet will kind of line up right there at the bottom down there where your shadows and everything already placed, and that way you can go in. If you're shooting these players just like this, it's going to be key to this template. Of course you can go in and put any players you want in them, but just for easy access on the feet, you want to shoot them ground up. Matter of fact, let me just show you one of these images so you can have an idea on how to shoot it. So as you can see on the original shot, you can see what the feet kind of look like. So this is the key to it. Shoot them like this with those feet on the same plane, and then it just makes it a whole lot easier when you drop it in here to already give you that realistic look. You don't have to spend a whole lot of time trying to edit feet shadows. And I also have a close-up version just to kind of give you a different perspective of it. And all of the layers are still the same. I just kind of rearranged it a little bit. Team name, let's see, let's change this name to Hornets maybe. And for this font, you know, to get this swoosh right here, you gotta use this character right here. And let's see, spot text 1, let's go 1990 maybe. And school name, and as you can see, it's all modified. And I want to show you how simple it is to change the player up on here. I'm going to use spa for this actual change. Let's go, we're doing a little test, so let's go here. Let's go find me a different player. A player changed out. click my background. Red. School name. Let's go. Change that color. Red. Then come in, go and change those colors too. So got a bunch of different effects on here, so gotta get that. And you can basically change these to whatever you want. These are just some colors that I wanted to put in. And you can't really see the logo back there for this one. I mean, you clearly you'll be able to see it better on the full body, but I mean, and let's just say I want to change this background just to kind of change it up a little bit. Let's go. Double click. Yep, so there you have it. Alright, y'all check it out. I hope y'all enjoy this.